Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't, and today we are going to move our YouTube channel to another Google account. So what is a brand account? You will be seeing this term later on. A YouTube channel is always a brand account where you can use more than one YouTube channels in one single Google account. That's what the benefit of a brand account. And make sure you have added these in another Google account, mobile number and your recovery email address. If you haven't done them already, please add these two things into your new Google account where you want to move the YouTube channel. So these are the steps listed on Google Docs. Let us try to execute these steps one by one. First of all, go to youtube.com and log in into your YouTube channel. Okay, the Google account which is associated with your YouTube channel. Now click on this icon and click on settings. Now here you have to go to the account section and click on add or remove managers. Now if for whatever reason you get this kind of error, what you have to do is log out from your Google account and log in again. So let's get back to youtube.com again. And I am going to sign out from this Google account. Sign out. And now I will sign in again into this Google account. Enter your password. And it may ask you two-factor authentication if you have enabled it. I am going to do it from my mobile. I have verified it, the sign-in attempt. I also recommend you to enable two-factor authentication. Now go on this profile picture on the right corner. Now if you have more than one YouTube channels, you can click on switch account and choose the one which you want to move into another Google account. So I have checked the one that I want to move. Now go to this profile picture right corner and click on settings. And now click on add or remove managers. And now you can see this page where we can manage the permissions. So just click on manage permissions now. Now again it is asking for two-factor authentication. This is just for security. I have enabled it. So I am going to allow the access from mobile. Choose the number 74 and it is done. Now if you click on manage permissions, you can have this box. Click on this small right icon, invite new users, and just type the email address where you want to move your YouTube channel. It is also giving us, so we have selected it. Now if you go choose a role, you can select owner if you want to move your YouTube channel. That's what we are doing in this video. So after selecting owner, click on invite. Now it is inviting the users and user has been invited. Now let us move to the second Google account where we want to move our YouTube channel. And here we have the Gmail opened up, and this is our mail that we got from Google to accept the invitation. So just click on accept invitation and click on accept. It is accepting it and the invite has been successfully accepted. And if we go back to Gmail, we also get a mail that you are an owner of that YouTube channel, right? So now if we click on manage permissions in the another Google account, you see it is asking us to enter the password. So just enter it. Again, two-factor authentication, a great step. Allow it access. And now click on manage permissions. You can see that your Google account is the below one where you want to move your YouTube channel. And in place of owner, just try to make it primary owner. And what you have to do is just click on transfer. And now you can see this prompt in the bottom. It says you have to wait for 7 days. Now click on done from here. Let us come after 7 days and make this newer Google account as the primary owner of our previous YouTube channel. So here we are after 7 days and I am logged into my another Google account where I have moved my YouTube channel. Okay. So this is the second Google account. Log into YouTube and make sure you choose your YouTube channel that you have moved. Now after selecting that, click on your channel icon and click on settings from here. And now you have to again click on add or remove managers. Now click on manage permissions. Now it will ask you to log in, so enter your password. It may also ask you two-factor authentication. So just do it from your mobile or wherever you have enabled it. Now we are logged in and let us click on manage permissions now. And now here we have the another Google account. So from owner, we are just going to change it to primary owner. Now click on transfer and you can see the ownership is being transferred and it has been transferred, right? You can see our second Google account has moved up to the primary owner. And now if you want, you can remove the Google account from where you moved your channel. I mean the Google account where you had your channel earlier. So I am just going to delete it and click on remove. Now our other Google account is the only primary and the owner of this YouTube channel. And now you can click on done. So we have successfully moved our YouTube channel from one Google account to the another in 7 days. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.